I got these stupid little baby ends. Oh, I wish I had known. And toys.
What are you doing today?
I don't know. I'm disconnecting the end.
The rear end.
The rear end. These things heavy.
Keep it on there.
Yeah, can you hold one? Cause
No, you gotta
I'm
do both.
weak.
You gotta do both. There you go.
You're like, why did you buy another iPad?
Just for this.
Am I going the right way?
Loosen the nut.
I'm gonna hurt myself, I know it.
There you go. It's loose, but these always twist the pipe off, so. Because the flare nut is just fused with the actual steel pipe. So this is gonna twist off in a second. Oh, I don't know. Should twist off. Yeah, it's twisting. Well,
I guess you were wrong.
oh. I don't care if it breaks, we have a new one. Which I would have probably just been better off cutting it anyway to save time. But I would have just saved a whole 2 minutes.
What are we doing, Jum?
Rear end should be ready to drop. So I'm just gonna loosen this all the way and let it slam. It's actually only balancing on the jack, so.
You lowered it?
Just a little bit. I need to get this shackle, I think is what it's called, out of this little mounting point.
Neat.
See, I didn't want to like roll forward, but it pivoted on the jacks.
That's some big brain.
Maybe I'm get a little nervous. Maybe I don't go out anymore. Like I really don't deserve this. Been nothing like it was before. 'Cause all I wanna do is just hold somebody, but no one ever wants to get to know somebody. If you're going under the surface, maybe I'm a little too bad.
I think I did my makeup today. No one gives a shit. Yeah. Blew it into the air for shits. It's still itty bitty. I'm gonna wipe down the frame after we just sanded it or removed stuff.
Took up a lot of the, not really scale because it wasn't like rust scale, but just a lot of
buildup.
that. Yeah, a lot of the little surface rust buildup and scuffed all the previous paint on it. So
We did that and then blew it off, and now we're gonna wipe it down and prep it for the painting. First, can you even understand me in here?
a little bit.
Sophie, every time makes my hands cold.
Yeah. It do. All right, so we got cleaned as best we can, blown off. Got my rust encapsulator, so we're gonna begin painting. How's it going, Mia?
I'm just trying to finish up this.
Oh yeah?
Can you hear me?
A little bit. For the most part,
I think she's covered.
she's covered. And I think it stuck really well. We put a really light coat on the first pass and then came back in for a couple medium coats, and yeah, I think it's looking good.
Trying to make sure there's no drip.
Sorry I didn't do the greatest job at recording all this. I just kind of, it's pretty cramped in here. I'm trying to get this part done with so I can get the rear end back underneath. Get some stuff more organized. Get this other bed gone. I'll have a lot more room. Putting the whole bed on we'll record that a bit more better, right? A bit better, because I'll have like more room and stuff, and yeah, but for now, it dried alright. I think I put too much on the top right here, because it kind of like got some, I don't know, air bubbles trapped in the strokes, but honestly not too big of a deal, won't be seen. And to now I'm going to go ahead and paint it black. I have some of the Eastwood black chassis paint, I'll show you. So I got the black chassis paint right here, and then I got this stuff with the tube for a couple places. There's not a whole lot of places, but yeah. I'll probably do this first. Back in the garage, another day. Got some stuff done. Frame is back half of the frame is painted, and I got the rear end underneath the frame. Get the leaf springs put in. I got the kind of the exhaust just sitting there, so I think I'll probably go ahead and put the rear end back on the truck. I also got the new stainless steel brake line ran, the long intermediate one. I did put too much of the Eastwood coat on, so I ended up having, like, it was good at first, and I was like, yeah, slather it on, just to get rid of the rest I had, and then I ended up getting, like, big old air pockets in the silver paint, and then I kind of sanded them down, and because of that, now they got, like, little pinholes in it, so the paint will fully go in it, but, you know, it's good, it looks fine. It's not gonna be seen anyway, so today I'll go ahead and, I guess, attach the rear end. We got her back together. Went together pretty smoothly. But the brakes bled. They feel alright, I guess. Feel the same. Exhaust is now like fully bolted in. It's got those sleeves right there for so I can just disconnect it pretty easily if I ever have to again. But yeah, got everything in. I think I'll probably start trying to figure out how to put this rear bumper on. I got a new rear bumper, and then it's just paint the inside of the new bed. Then I can put her on. Okay, so there's no bumper on this before, so we gotta figure out how to attach these new bumper brackets.
It is windy though. Yeah, it do be windy. If it wasn't windy, it'd be nice. Mia and Jimmy talk about the weather.
Size.
I think that's good. Jesus. My little stuffy gnome hands keep dropping shit.
Hey, but that should look good though on camera. So these are the new brackets. I think it's on right. I know they kind of supposed to be angled because you have that little notch. You have that notch right there to clear that rivet head. And then I guess these are on right. I don't know what this bolt holes are for. But it's alright, I guess we'll go ahead and tighten her up a little bit. Just for future reference for you, maybe anybody in here, we're not torquing, but when you do torque, you're supposed to torque the nut, not the bolt head.
Why is that?
I don't know.
Okay.
This is what I learned. I assume because the nut is the actual clamping, you know?
Yeah. Do you torque this?
You can, but like it's not.
Are you talking about in general though?
What?
Like a general torque mode or?
In general, if it's if you have a nut, you torque the nut. And you can torque these, but I just use my Mexican torque wrench. That's what my grandpa calls it.
Should I ask you to elaborate? I think
My Mexican torque wrench. My grandpa is Mexican, so I'm not even a half breed. Quarter breed.
you're a whole lot of everything.
It's not an OEM, it is an aftermarket. But as of right now, fitment looks okay. We'll have to see how it looks when the bed is on. But damn, that bitch brand new and shiny. Don't even want to drive it, you know?
I was gonna say, like,
Yeah, sit on it. Go ahead.
I'm trying.
Scoot over.
No, this is scary.
Oh, she's solid. She's solid.
You can't even see